Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is the manifestation of light. You have actually seen huge results. Not only are you trying and not only doing, but you have become. You're not trying to show everyone by talking. You're actually walking it. You are the change. You are the results. So when people actually can see the results on you, they're more inclined to follow your path. Congratulations. I see the beauty within me. I hope you do, because that's the only way that you can keep your confidence up, by make sure that you keep filling up your cup with those compliments that you deserve. It helps the engine move. I grow and develop my inner self with harmony, with the light and beauty within me. I free myself from negativity. My heart transforms into something beautiful and huge. My intellect shines because I'm a genius, and my inner light glows, and it shall grow stronger and stronger. Therefore, as your light grows positivity, that means you can maintain more blessings, expand your kingdom for your kingdom people. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.